Hello guys and welcome to Igor's Adventures. Today something new guys. I wanna share my secret. Just don't tell anybody please. Only for you. Years back I learned how to make this salad. And I was making salad if somebody visited us in Niagara, and people who saw me remember this salad maybe. This I called cheese and garlic. But another ingredient is the secret one is eggs. So I shredded cheese, marble cheese. I boiled about 8 to 10 eggs. Today was 8 eggs. And it was a lot of 3 cloves of big garlic and mayo. So garlic was shredded as well. And eggs I put on the little thing there to cut it so it really goes really fine. You'll see that little machine there. Designed for the vegetables, vegetable chopper. You see? And mix all together. And you will get super yummy salad. You can have it on your bread. You can eat it alone. And really fast make, very tasty, very good. If you have questions, ask. Don't be shy. See ya.